Good morning to all. I am very happy to see once again on this online class. Today we are going to learn about science subject. The topic is states of matter. In these states of matter, we can see what is a matter, properties of matter, change in states of matter, and some experiment and fuels. Before we move on to the lesson, we can see some picture. Tell what are the things are there and name them. Let's see the picture. I ask one by one children. First bring Chris. Tell one example. Sun. Very good. Next Jay Chandru. Boat. Very good. Next Kesav. House. Okay, very good. Next Lakshita. Mountain. Super. Danshika. Trees. Okay, very good. Pritima. Monkey. Okay, very good. Magilni. Give one example. River. Superb answer. Superb. Roshni. Car. Good. Very good. Thank you children for your good answers. Keep it up. About the next two, in this picture, which are hard one, which are flowing, which make us to fly or breathe. Hard or solid. Hard. H-A-R-D. Hard or solid. Flowing is liquid. Flowing is liquid. Which one is flowing here? River. Yes, correct. Flowing is liquid. Fly or breathe is air. Air. The birds are flying no. With the help of wings and air. We also breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The soil is a hard substance, it's a weight one. The liquid is a soft and it can be hard. Gas. Gas or air is present everywhere. Air is present everywhere. Now move on to the topic. The topic is states of matter. States of matter. What is matter? What is matter? Anything that occupies space and as mass is called matter. Anything that occupies space and as mass is called matter. Mass means weight. The weight of the object. The weight of the object. And also volume. Volume is a space occupied by an object. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. Do you know that even we are made up of matter? Even we are made up of matter. That is the air we breathe. The air we breathe. I already told no. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. One. Next is the food we take. The food we take and the water we drink. And the water we drink all have matter in them. The air we breathe, the food we take and the water we drink all have matter in them. Let us see states and properties of matter. States and properties of matter. Matter can exist as three states. That is, first one is solid, second one is liquid, and the third one is gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Move on to the next title, properties of matter. Properties of matter. The first one is solid. The particles in solids are packed very tightly, so they cannot move freely. Solids have a definite shape and volume. They occupy a fixed space. Their shape can be changed only when we break or cut them. When we break or cut them. Some of the examples of solids are apple, table, bench, book. Next one is liquid. Liquid have a definite volume. They take the shape of the container. The matter in liquid are loosely packed, so liquids can flow freely. The different types of liquid is, first one is greasy liquid, then sticky liquid, then watery liquid, then thick liquid. The third one is gases. Gases are very loosely packed. Gases are very loosely packed, so they can move around freely in all directions. They can flow freely in all directions. Gases do not have a definite shape and do not occupy a space or volume. Some of the examples of gas is cloud, smoke, spray, water vapor, wind. If the gas stove is not switched off properly, what happens? The gas from the pipe or cylinder will quickly spread all over the roof. Gas, that is, the gas will flow any direction, the four directions. Gas will flow every direction. Gas can spread. Gas can spread. That is a three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Next title is change in states of matter. Solid, liquid, gas. There will be some changes in due to the room temperature. Now we can see the temperatures: chillness and heating. Chillness and heating. That is two temperatures: hot and cool. Hot and cool. That is cooling and heating. Due to the cooling and heating, the solid, liquid and gas will be changed. Students, now we are going to see some simple experiments about changes in states of matter. The first one is melting. See, I am taking an ice cube. If I am taking out of the ice cream outside place of the fridge, I want to observe 10 minutes after what we'll see. This is a solid. The solid is changed into liquid. On heating is called melting. Change of solid into liquid on heating is called melting. See the ice cube. 1 minute, what will happen? See, it's a water. This is a liquid. That is, the solid change into liquid due to the room temperature. The next one is evaporation. Change of liquid into vapor. On heating is called evaporation. For example, see the liquid. Liquid is the water. What will happen? The liquid is changed into water vapor. The liquid is changed into water vapor. That is, if water is heated, it will change into steam. The next one is freezing. Change of liquid. Change of liquid into solid. That is, change of liquid into solid on cooling is known as freezing. On cooling is known as freezing. For example, liquid, that is water. Water is poured in dish. Water is poured in dish or anything you can use in ice tray. Ice tray. But I am using that dish, small dish. I water into dish and keep it inside the fridge. Keep it inside the fridge. After 30 minutes, 1 hour, the water change into solid. The water is changed into solid. That is a freezing. It gets cooled. It gets cooled and becomes ice. It gets cool and becomes ice. In first one we see melting. What will happen? The solid is changed into liquid. Now the freezing is the liquid is changed into solid due to the cooling. Due to the cooling. After freezing, we can see condensation. Condensation. Changes of gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Changes of gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Children, see the vapor will come out. It's spread on the plate. What we have to see? The water drops come out to form a water drops. See the liquid. Isn't it? Now changes of gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. For example, in our human life, the main source of water is rain. The main source of water is rain. Clouds. Clouds is a gas. On cooling condense and fall as rain. Rain as liquid. See? Clouds on cooling condense and fall as rain. It is condensation. Next subtitle is fuels. Fuels also differentiate in 3 matters: solid fuels, gaseous fuels and liquid fuels. Solid fuels, gaseous fuels and liquid fuels. The examples of solid fuels is paper, firewood, dry leaves and charcoal can be burned. In the liquid fuels are like kerosene, petrol and diesels. Also burn on heating. Kerosene we are used in the kitchen. Petrol and diesel we are used in car and buses. The third one is gaseous fuels is used in domestic gas burns and helps in cooking. Domestic gas burns and helps in cooking. Substances when burns give out heat, but in some substances the heat released is very low. These are not used for eating purposes. This is our lesson. Before we end of the online class, we recall the lesson once again. First one is what is a matter? Definition of what is a matter. Second, states and properties of matter. Next is change in states of matter. Change in states of matter. Next, fuels. And we do some experiments. Please students, go through the lesson. Any doubt, please call me. I clear your doubts. Okay. Today thought is Tamil words. First one is melting. First one is melting. Melting means urugum or urugudal. Melting. Urugum. Second one is evaporation. Second one is evaporation means aviyadal. Aviyadal. Evaporation, aviyadal. Next, freezing. Kulirnda. Freezing, kulirnda. Freezing, kulirnda. Fourth one is condensation. Condensation, நீராவியாகுதல் அல்லது உறைதல். நீராவியாகுதல் அல்லது உறைதல். Melting, உருகும். Evaporation, ஆவியாதல். Freezing, குளிர்வித்தல். Condensation, நீராவியாகுதல். Thank you children. Thank you for your cooperation.